Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. So in continuation of the Java design pattern series, so today I'm going to give a new video on creational design patterns. That's on the new topic, prototype design pattern in Java. So basically we'll start with the definition. So what is the definition of prototype design pattern? So it's basically states that it's a creational design pattern It's basically a creation design pattern that allows us to create new objects using existing instances, also known as prototypes. Without the point important is that it allows us to create new objects using existing instances prototypes without creating objects from the scratch. So basically, we can create a new objects using existing instances that are prototypes, and without creating objects from the scratch using the new keyword. As you all know that Java stores the object in heap memory, and using new keyword you can create new objects. But like this specific design pattern allows us to create new objects using existing instance of prototypes without creating objects from scratch. So that's the advantage of prototype design pattern. And to implement prototype design pattern, the steps are simple. You have to first create an interface. Then you have to create a concrete class implementing in interface. Here you will provide the definition of like what the concrete class will read like. And third is that you have to provide a client class implementation. You have to first create an interface, concrete class implementing that interface, provide client class implementation for that to implement the prototype design pattern. So this video was all about like given an overview and like full description and like what is basically a prototype design pattern, what is its definition, how it can be implemented in Java, what are the various steps you need to follow for implementing the prototype design pattern. So stay tuned, more videos to come on design patterns and other related design architecture related videos. More to come on you for #me. Bye.